Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. So this is actually pretty simple guys, you just can do this from the home screen. For example, as you can see I have Bitcoin right in my favorites, and in here I can, as you can see, buy Bitcoin. If you want to do it from another list, you can just go into your wallet. Alright, and in the wallet you just press on buy, then you from this list choose a coin that you wish to buy, for example Bitcoin in our case. In here guys, you choose how much you want, say for example 1,000, and then as you can see the payment method in my case is going to be Google Pay. Then you press review order in here, and as you can see in here we're buying the Bitcoin. Amount is on the screen, the rate is also on the screen, and we have a trading fee as well, and the method is Google Pay. And after that, you just press on Pay with Google Pay, and you can pretty much check yourself out, and then you will have Bitcoin on your balance in your wallet. Enjoy! If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to check out Crypto.com for yourself, we have a really cool affiliate link in the description below. Enjoy!